Expanding brackets is not magic. It is just multiplication. Think of the number outside as a VIP guest. It must shake hands with everyone inside the party. If you miss one person, you are being rude and you lose the mark. So therefore, 3 multiplied by this. Okay? Then 3 multiplied by all this again. Like this, 3 times x equal to 3x. 3 times 5 equal to 15. Okay? Therefore, the result is 3x plus 15. And then this is our final solution. Okay? This is where 50% of students fail. They see the 2 here, but they ignore the negative sign. The negative belongs to 2. It is an assassin. It changes everything it touches. Okay? First, and shake this -2 to this, like this. Okay? That is -2 multiplied by x equal to -2x. Second handshake. This one, -2 multiplied by -4. Wait, this is the trap. -2 multiplied by -4 equal to negative and negative. Remember, negative and negative equal to positive. Okay? Or negative and positive equal to negative. Positive and negative equal to negative. If it has the same sign, it should be a positive result. Okay? So, negative and negative equal to positive. So negative and negative equal to positive. So it's going to be 2 times 4 equal to positive 8. Therefore, the result will be -2x plus 8. When you distribute this into all things in the bracket. Okay? So this is the final solution. Now we have 2 parties. Everything inside the first bracket or parentheses multiply with everything inside the second bracket. Now we have this 4. Okay? F, that is first. O, that is outside. I, that is inside. L, last. Okay? We have x plus 3 now to the first, that is 4 first. X and x, this and this, that is x multiplied by x equal to s squared. Now to the outside, x and the 2, that is x multiplied by 2 equal to 2x. So inside 3 and x, that is 3 multiply, okay? Multiply by x equal to 3x to the last, that is 3 and 3. 3 multiply by 2 equal to 6. So it's gonna be like this. So the solution would be x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So, are we done? No. We must clean up the mess. Look at the middle. We have 2x and 3x. We have like terms. These are like terms. Combine them. So therefore, it becomes x squared plus 2x plus 3x. That is 5x plus 6. Therefore, this is our final answer. This is the most famous mistake in algebra. Students see the squared and write x squared plus 25. This is grossly wrong. X plus 5 squared does not mean you squared the insides. It means the bracket times itself, like this: x plus 5, x plus 5. Okay, now expand it properly. You will see a middle term appear. This and this, that is x and x. This first bracket will multiply all things in the second bracket, like this: x times x, like do it like this: x times x equal to x squared, and x times 5 plus x times 5, that is 5x. Now to the second part: 5 times x, that is 5x, and 5 times 5, that is 25. Alright, the correct answer has 3 parts. So never forget the middle term. Remember, middle terms are like terms: x squared plus 5x plus 5x equal to 10x plus 25. And this is our final answer.